Hey everyone, Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. If you're searching for the perfect family home in beautiful Binbrook, it's right behind me. This fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-story has 4 total baths, a finished basement, a double garage, and parking for 4 cars in the driveway. We're situated on a large 37 by 87 foot property, just steps to great schools and parks, including the Fairgrounds Community Park and Splash Pad, and we're just minutes to all major amenities. Welcome to 102 Voyager Pass. The open concept main level has a shiplap feature wall with hardwood flooring in the family room and a stunning upgraded kitchen with stainless appliances, granite counters, and this huge island perfect for entertaining or family dining. There are 3 spacious bedrooms on the upper level with 2 full baths, including an ensuite in the primary and a full-size laundry room. The finished basement offers plenty of recreation space and a 3rd full bath. Outside, you can enjoy barbecuing or relaxing on a large deck, or plenty of family time in the fully fenced yard. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thanks.